Malware support tool, what it does and when you actually need to use it. So when malware won't install, keep crashing, or forced to update or behave strategically, reinstalling the app normally doesn't always solve the problem. That's where the malware support toolkit comes in. So unlike the standard installer, the support tool designed to diagnose, repair, and clean your install while also collecting diagnostic information that can help support identify the root. So um, the support tool, the malware support tool is a free troubleshooting utility for malware for Windows. It combines several repair and diagnostic function into one application. So it can repair damage, malware installation, or something that's a problem with this. So yeah, so you use it if your malware won't install or the program won't open, real-time protection won't start, or malware support asks you to collect logs, or um, if you can't fix it with like restart or um, and that's I suggest doing that. So the repair option reinstall malwares, preserving your activation and configuration settings whenever possible. So if you can ask me, is it safe? Yes, it's safe. So, anyways, the malware support tool isn't something you'll need every day, but it's one of the most effective ways to fix stubborn malware problems. For malware right here, for Malwarebytes right there. So yeah. Oh, yeah. Anyways, if you want to download Malwarebytes, if you don't have Malwarebytes, or if you want to download the toolkit for malware, I meant what you call this support tool for malware. You can go on the link down in the description down below and download, or you can just do the installer if you want. You can do the installer, download the click on our link, download, then use the installer. You can the installer will work as well. Once you click on the installer, it will automatically update Malwarebytes if it's bugging. So you can use our link down below. It's completely free and it will help the channel out. Anyways, there you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, sabi the question below guys. We'll about to as soon as possible. And thank you guys.